Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit Mentoring, joins us now for the Trader Rundown. Good to see you there, Mark. And unemployment claims at record levels, and yet the stock market wants to go higher. How much of this is a signal that there's optimism in the market because the current situation is going to improve sooner rather than later?
Yes, we have incredible unemployment, but the belief is that this is very temporary. And within 6 months, we could be back to that 5%, 6% level, maybe lower, that was driving the economy higher and driving the stock market higher, leading into the coronavirus COVID-19 mess. In addition, we're seeing unprecedented stimulus, both on the monetary side and on the fiscal side.
How do you, as a pro, go about trading a volatile market like this one?
So one of the trades I've been examining has been moving out of cap-weighted indexes and into equal-weighted index. So what does that mean? Right now, the S&P 500, which is 500 stocks, is carrying 20% of its value in 5 names. 5 names. Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Facebook are carrying 20% of the index's value. The NASDAQ 100 is almost 50% in those 5 names. Oil, which used to be an energy, which used to be a huge part for years, ExxonMobil and Chevron Texaco were the 2 biggest companies in the S&P 500. It now makes up less than Microsoft does on its own. So when I look at ways to invest, one way I can sell high and buy low is to come out of the S&P 500 and into an equal weighted index. So something that carries those 500 stocks, but then equal weights the different indices. So it's not equal weighting the stocks, it equal weights the different sectors. So it carries among the 10 or 11 sectors about 8 to 9% and rebalances quarterly. So right now, tech is a giant part of the S&P, and oil is a tiny part of the S&P. I can put on this equal weighted index, and what it will do is at the end of the next quarter, it will sell out of a bunch of its technology holdings and buy a bunch of energy holdings to then equal weight how much it's carrying. And so I'm essentially selling high and buying low by carrying that equal weight. Now, is that always the best play? No, but is it something that, with so much of the S&P 500 wrapped up into 5 companies, does that make sense? It might.
Terrific trader talk today, Mark. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.